Does your child always get late in getting ready? And do you even think that your child doesn't understand what to do when? A family friend shared with me that her son's school bus comes on time every day, but he is always late. Whenever they have to go somewhere, he will never leave the house in time. And she was thinking that her child is not even aware of timings and was concerned what to do. And younger ones, they are even more unaware of time. In this world today, when we have very limited time for every activity, when child wastes a lot of time here and there, never completes the activity in time, it not only irritates us, but we are not able to complete that activity in time. We feel frustrated and start thinking, why can't my child understand the value of time? Why can't my child understand what to do when? In fact, one day, one of my friends, whose son is 9 years old, she thought of taking her son with her for a morning walk. And they decided beforehand that they would be doing brisk walk. But you know what? While they started this, he saw a squirrel on a tree. And then he got stuck. He was noticing everything on the squirrel, and my friend needed to remind him that we are on a brisk walk. And mother got frustrated to the extent that she decided that she would be going alone for the morning walk from the next time because she has to finish morning walk in time. Imagine, your child is getting late for the school, you are reminding him to come out of the washroom, and he is just playing with the bubbles, thinking something else. Will it not frustrate you? So how to handle this? One thing that you would be doing probably to remind time and again. But when you keep reminding from morning to evening, 3 things happen. First, your child becomes habitual of your reminders and never does things on his own. Second, you also get frustrated because he is not paying attention to you. They stop paying attention to you because you are all the time reminding them. Third, but if you don't remind them, they will not do it at all. So you need to remind them. So again, we are on the same point, what to do. So first solution can be, like you already know, good things need to be reminded. So we need to remind them. But what we want to break is our monotonous way of reminding them. So what we can do, you can have some creative cap on your head and then think of reminding them in different ways. Sometimes you can throw some challenge to them, like who does it first. Sometimes you can just reward them for doing something for a particular time. Sometimes you can also announce that they will get a reward if they complete it for the week or 15 days. And you can also try other things, whatever works best for you or your child. If you get some creative idea, please share with us in the comment section so that others can also get benefited. But the important point is we have to break the monotonous way of reminding them. Second, when they go to school, you can get things ready the previous evening. Like you can ask them to fill the water bottle, get their backpack ready. You can prepare their dress and also keep it at a place where it is visible to them. So whatever you can prepare the previous evening, prepare it so that it will save your morning time, because morning time is hectic for all the mothers. And whenever you have to go somewhere else, maybe you can talk to them the previous evening and make them understand that we will be leaving at this time. You can also put some sticky note or reminders where they can watch it. Third, for middle school children, you can create a written schedule. You can take a big chart paper or some big paper, create a written schedule, paste some nice pictures on it, because when children look at those pictures, see their written schedule, there is some structure which is fit in their mind, and slowly they will be able to follow that routine. Initially they may grumble, they may not do it, they may waste time here and there, but if you do it consistently, they will start following things at time and they will be doing things timely. Many of us adults also lose track of time. Sometimes we think that we will only watch for half an hour, but we keep watching Netflix for hours. For social media, we take our mobile just for 5 minutes and then keep spending hours. So being gentle and supportive with patience for children will work, and slowly they will understand the value of time. If you are interested in going deeper with more details, you can even watch our webinar on the topic Time Management Skills for Children. Link is given in the description below.